Hi, it's Alan Hutchinson, htmarket.com. I'm here with a seat that it's a special order seat, HD Design Somerset with built-in riser. Now we can do any of our seats with a built-in riser, just on special order basis. Like 8 to 12 weeks, we can get any of our styles with a built-in riser. So we're going to show you unbox of this one. This is of our Somerset chair with a built-in riser. These silicone gel packets. Do not throw or eat. Do not eat, throw away, it says. I'm not going to eat them. I don't recommend anybody does. So now we've got, I'm going to pull this stuff away. Be careful when you're doing this. You don't want to cut your finger or cut the chair. We've had people that have been opening some of their own stuff. It happens occasionally where somebody cuts the chair, and that's not a good thing because then you got to scuff, you got to cut in your leather. So basically, better just use your hands and your fingers. Now, like the riser actually is finished on the front, so that's your riser. What we want to do first, though, is take the back of the chair out, and then pull this out first. We'll pull its cover out first, and I can probably grab the actual back. This has a manual adjustable headrest. It's not quite as heavy as some of our other ones because it has a motor in it, but that's the back. Over here for now. Then we're going to flip the seat down on the floor. Oh, this is going to be. This is I think it's an 8-inch riser. Yeah, 8-inch riser. So I'm gonna push that back for now. Slide it out. Thank you. My camera, Tom, is helping me hold the box, which I needed, because otherwise I wouldn't have put it out. So now we've got this seat. It's kind of like a high chair for adults. You don't need baby food. Doesn't come with baby food. Comes with adult beverages. No, it doesn't. Sorry. There's your back assembly instructions. Logo HD Design. And then there's the brackets here. I'm just going to throw those over here for now. Get this out of here. So basically, this is the Somerset seat with a riser right here. Let me just flip it quickly. You can see the riser on the bottom of the seat. Totally finished. It's not basically a lot of wood. Opens it up, and you got your power here. So you got to get that out too. So we'll do a setup video in a second. So this is HD Design with a riser seat that you can do in any of our chairs, special order. htmarket.com, Alan Hutchinson. Thank you.